Welcome back to the channel. This video is not a form of advertising, as I do not receive any payment for making it. With Black Friday around the corner, I simply want to share my experience and recommend a service that I consider excellent and very competitively priced. Instead of buying yet another gadget, you should gift yourself digital freedom and make the choice to be the master of your own data, freeing yourself once and for all from the services offered by big tech companies that analyze everything you do and manipulate everything you see. Choosing a self-hosted server where you can store your data using Nextcloud could be the first step towards a conscious and ultimately economical choice compared to what is usually spent on traditional cloud services. I discovered Contabo, a German company, after extensive research looking for the best service in terms of quality at the lowest possible price. I must admit, they offer incredibly competitive prices. For just over $20 a month, you can get a server with 1.6 terabytes of storage. And with Black Friday deals, you might get even further discounts. It doesn't matter if you don't know how to manage or set up a server. It's not complicated. Just a few steps through the terminal on your Linux distro are enough to install Nextcloud, which is an excellent alternative to paid services. But you can go even further, as I did. While these steps are more complex, they're not insurmountable for an average user. For example, you could configure your own email server by purchasing a new domain, install your own search engine with CRXNG, an open-source meta-search engine that aggregates results from various search engines, or use Immich to manage your personal photos, saying goodbye forever to big tech companies. And there's more. Jellyfin allows you to have your own personal Netflix. I'm sure there's even an alternative to Spotify, though it's not something I'm personally interested in. With just $21 a month and a bit of effort, you can achieve freedom. The freedom of knowing your data is secure, the freedom to browse the internet without being monitored, and the beauty of taking control of your digital destiny. This is all made possible thanks to open source projects, which are often more robust and offer more possibilities than proprietary services. So, for this Black Friday, give yourself the gift of freedom. Thanks for watching.